In this video, I will show you how to insert picture in Microsoft Excel cell like this. So guys, you need firstly adjust the cell size where you need to insert the picture. Now insert and select the shape rectangle, press and hold Alt key. In the shape field, select the picture. Similarly, in second cell shape rectangle, press and hold Alt shape field and select the picture. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you. And also you can insert the picture from here. Insert and picture. But easy way, insert the shape and picture. Thanks for watching.